Welcome guys, another one of our afterwork drift events. As you can see, sunny sky, good vibes. It's beautiful Friday evening here in Switzerland. Still snow on the mountains. All the way back there you can still see a lot of snow. Some are still up here, which is snowing like 10 days ago. Good stuff. So people are already having fun. We have to put some more water on tarmac since it's much nicer weather today, but we'll get a grip on it, no worries. People are having fun. I'll show you around. I guess by now you know how it works out here. I'll show you some of the cars. As always, nice people here, good vibe, people are having fun, and you know, you should come too next time. And before I forget, we got a rental car. We got a BMW E36 you can rent. If you don't have a car, it's ready for you. Contact us for details and you'll have a lot of fun on any track. We organize some track days or here at our afterwork drift. Okay, so let's go and check out the action. Alright, so that's a wrap for today. Another afterwork drift in the books. People had fun. Only 2 silver BMW E46s went into the gravel, but no biggie. Nothing, no damages, nothing happened. So now we gotta clean it up, wrap up all the banners, all the pylons and so on, clean up some of the gravel, and we'll be back next month. I hope you guys join in too, and I'll see you soon. Make sure to like, subscribe and comment. Bye bye.